Enabling two-factor authentication on Google Calendar enhances your account's security by requiring a second form of verification. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the Google account sign-in page and enter your email and password. Make sure you are using the account associated with your Google Calendar. Step 2. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the security section of your Google account. You can find this by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting Manage your Google account, then clicking on Security in the left menu. Step 3. Enable two-step verification. In the Security section, look for the Signing into Google section. Click on two-step verification and then click the Get Started button. Follow the prompts to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your verification method. You will be prompted to select a verification method such as receiving a text message, using the Google Authenticator app, or receiving a phone call. Choose your preferred method and follow the instructions to set it up. Step 5. Complete the setup. After selecting your verification method, you will need to verify it by entering the code sent to you or generated by the app. Once verified, two-step verification will be enabled for your Google account, providing an extra layer of security for your Google Calendar. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Google Calendar, helping to protect your personal information and data.